This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play All Hail King Jesus on guitar. First, let's master the 4 core open chords, G, C, D, and M. These are fundamental for countless songs and will be your building blocks. Focus on clean transitions between each chord, ensuring every note rings out clearly. A capo on the 2nd fret will set you up for the original key, making it sound just right. Practice these until they feel natural and effortless. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple down-down, up-up-down-up motion works perfectly for this song. Keep your strumming hand loose and relaxed to avoid tension, allowing for a smooth, flowing rhythm. Focus on hitting the downbeats with a bit more emphasis to give the song its driving feel. Start slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence and consistency. This pattern will bring the song to life. Now, let's look at the song's structure. All Hail King Jesus typically follows a simple verse-chorus format, making it easy to follow along. The chord progression remains consistent, repeating the G, C, D, M sequence for most sections. Your main task is to anticipate and execute those chord changes smoothly and on time. Listening to the original recording several times will help you internalize the rhythm and know exactly when to switch. This repetition builds muscle memory. Finally, here are some practice tips to help you master the song. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to focused practice. Consistency is key. Always use a metronome to keep your timing precise and steady, starting at a slow tempo. Try singing along as you play. This helps with coordination and musicality. Once you're comfortable, you can explore adding more complex strumming variations or even fingerpicking patterns. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.